Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. If you're looking for a way to remove this Powered by ClickFunnels badge that you can see in the bottom right corner, you're in the right place. Because in this short ClickFunnels 2.0 tutorial, I will show you how you can quickly do that. And we will also cover how to remove this promo section in the footer. First, let's deal with this promo section. You just go to the page editor, open your page there, scroll to the bottom, and it's just an image and you can simply delete it from your funnel. But it's not the same for the badge that we saw in the bottom right corner. I will save the changes. And to remove that badge, we need to go to the settings of the funnel. You can find the settings of your funnel here by clicking on this button, but that's not what we are looking for. We actually need to go one step back. So just click back to see all your funnels, then find the funnel where you want to remove this badge. And we need a settings icon that you can see here on the right. Click Edit Funnel, scroll a bit to find this toggle and toggle it on. Yes, we want to hide the Powered by ClickFunnels badge. Scroll to the bottom and click Update Funnel. It may take a moment for the changes to be implemented, but if we now preview the page, you see that we don't have that badge and we also deleted the image from the footer. That's how easy you can remove the Powered by ClickFunnels badge in ClickFunnels 2.0. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and enable notifications to not miss out on the future content, and I will see you in the future videos. Bye bye!